Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be sharing a DIY wall hanging using straw and wool. I'd already made two wall hangings using straw and wool. If you didn't watch that video, do watch it. Link in description box. So firstly I'll be making frame using twisting straw. I'm joining all the straw using masking tape so that it stays at place. I'll stick masking tape all around the frame so as to ensure that the base is equal. So you can use this frame as it is and roll wool around it, but I am coloring it so that you get a clear image of the next step. So I'll be using 4 different colors of wool to decorate this frame. Spread Fevicol and then start rolling wool around it. So now I'll be making tassels. For that, just roll wool around an object. I am using white color thread to hang these tassels. So this completes my video. I really hope that you liked it, and if you do give it a big thumbs up And if you're going to try any of my DIY, do share pictures with me on my Instagram account. Link will be in the description box. I would love to see your creations. Let me know what all you want me to post. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. Do like and share my videos, and do hit notification bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video.